What's in that baggie? Officers don't wait for the lab. They test it on scene in real time using one kit that changed everything. I'm Lance, the PI, Sacramento's #1 live streamer, licensed private investigator with over 25 years of experience, and former police officer with 10 years on the job. I've conducted hundreds of field tests during my career in law enforcement. If you want to be notified of breaking news that happens in Sacramento, click the link in the description to sign up for breaking news alerts. Please like, share, and subscribe and comment below. Here's what you're watching now: a presumptive field drug test in action. This is swab technology and has become the standard across law enforcement agencies nationwide. The officer suspects a substance. They take a swab, dab it into the sample, and transfer it to a test paper printed with chemical reagents. When the sample touches those regions, an immediately color change happens. That color tells the officer what they're dealing with. So why test on the scene instead of waiting for the lab? Speed. An officer needs to know immediately if they're dealing with fentanyl, methamphetamine, heroin, cocaine, or something else entirely. That knowledge affects how they proceed with the arrest, how they handle evidence, and critically, officer safety. Swab tech kits detect multiple drug families. Different colors mean different substances. A purple color might indicate opioids. Orange could mean amphetamines. The reagents are printed dry on paper, which means no hazardous chemical exposures for officers, no broken glass files, and safe disposal when the tests are done. Here's the critical part: a positive test is presumptive only. It is not definitive proof. It's probable cause. The real confirmation comes later at the crime lab when gas chromatology and mass spectrometer. But on scene, the color changes gives officers the information they need right then and there. That's how modern field drug testing works. Swab tech changes the game by making it safer, faster, and more reliable than the old reagents methods used when, like me, decades ago. Click the link in the description to sign up for breaking news alerts from Sacramento. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when additional videos are uploaded.